What's up guys, so this time I got to spend the weekend in Cancun. When I got there it was a bit different than expected, but the next day was a big surprise, and make sure you stick around to see how was my experience. Good morning, starting the day, just had breakfast, now at the beach. Don't know how to pronounce the name of this one. Still quite empty. Everybody's probably still hungover. It's doing 30 degrees around there. Way better than the rain yesterday, but today I'm going to do a little boat tour and then see how the day goes. There are so many different things you can do in Cancun to enjoy your time there, and I went for the one that was the most attractive for me at that moment. It was a tour where you get your own boat and you follow the guide all the way to a place where you can park and go for a swim. Up, so I just finished the little boat tour. That was quite nice. I completely underestimated that, and I think now I'm going to try to find a place to stay by the beach, maybe grab something to drink and something to eat. This was by far my favorite spot to stay during the day. It is called Caracol Beach, right on the cold hotel zone of Cancun. This one was way less busier, so I found a nice restaurant to sit down, eat and enjoy the view. As you might have heard before, the night in Cancun is quite active, and for sure you will struggle to decide where to go, as there are many options of restaurants, bars and parties. This time I chose to enjoy more during the day, so I just ate something at a restaurant and called it a night. The next day was no different, and it was looking just as good as the day before. I started my morning with a walk, and I found out that it was possible to go all the way to the end of the beach, which had something quite nice to take a look.
So guys, for you that don't know me very well, most of the times I'm a solo traveler, and the goal of these videos I make is to show you how beautiful places can be, and that even by traveling alone, we can build great memories that last for life. I hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe to see where was my next destination. Cheers!